Hey guys, I have another package for unboxing. This is spare keys for BMW cars. I ordered a few of these just to have them as spares. So let's see. Yep. So these are the keys. And this is the blank where you cut your key, your backup key. The plastic seems good. Let's see the key. Yep. This is not plastic. This is, I guess, aluminum, which is also good because these corners are the ones that get a lot of pressure. Yep, the build is good. Yep. And the buttons are very nice. They're shiny and they're also not plastic. So yeah, these are 3 BMW spare keys. Now I just have to get one of these coded to my other key so it starts working. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.